I love to thrift because I love to switch up my fashion style, and Goodwill is just like a place where there's so many different brands, so many different styles, so many different materials, and it's like a treasure hunt, right? And you can just find so many different things, and I love that about Goodwill. I'm an immigrant to Canada, so when we first came, my mom, we come from a hot country, so she had to get us winter clothing like snow pants and like winter jackets. And going to school, I wanted to keep up with certain trends and styles, and I was able to afford the clothes at Goodwill. My favorite find will probably be my black original Dr. Martens. I found those when I was in high school, and like everyone was wearing Dr. Martens and I wanted them so bad, and then I found them at Goodwill and I was just like so happy. So I do a closet clean about once a year, and I just load up all my bags and I just send them to Goodwill and then start again, and that's how I like to do it. It's always good when you get to do your closet clean out, because then you have an excuse to get some more stuff. So yeah. Just think of it like a treasure hunt. Don't go expecting to find something just right in front of your eyes. Kind of have an idea of what kind of trends you want to recreate, or what kind of things you want to, styles or fashions you want to create, and then just pick one section and then just start looking through. But if you kind of have that idea, you'll have an idea how to piece the outfits together. It's important in society that we create accessibility for people with disabilities, and knowing that when I shop at Goodwill, my money is going to something that is good and benefits people with disabilities, it makes me feel really good. When you're thrifting, the world is your oyster. You can get different brands, so many different options. Whatever your mood is that day, you can decide, I'm gonna be that girl. And that's kind of how I go, like whatever is whatever that day, my mood, just that's it.